Hey, what's up, good people? Don't adjust your apparatus. I am wearing something that appears to be hot and knitted, but it's really cool. Okay. All right. Hey, let's get right into some crypto. All right. Hey, my name is Larry Jones. Stock up with Larry Jones. Hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Let's just go right into it. Keep this one straight to the point. Let's just look at what's happening with crypto righty quick. All right, here's some of the top stories. Is Bitcoin still the gold standard of cryptocurrency? The answer is yes. Crypto industry wants Trump to win and calls off the SEC. We know about this. The rest of this is not that big. Listen, the former president, oh my goodness, people got their panties in a bunch when I made a mistake and said president. I said former president in the beginning, but all right, let's keep it going. All right, so what's happening is he's going to be speaking a week from today at the Bitcoin conference. I will be there. I am lining up some interviews, not with the former president, but I am trying to line up some interviews to keep you guys fed from the top Bitcoin miners, right? One in particular, Clean Spark. So let's see if we can get this together. They reached out, and let's see if we can make this work. So let's see what's going on with crypto, and then I'm going to talk to you guys about here what I think is happening. Let's go right to the bubbles, right to the crypto bubbles. All right, let's look at the last hour. We can see it's a lot of red. We're not looking at the last hour, the last day. We still see a lot of green, more green than red. For the week, it's still popping green. Width is up 65%. And for the month, you could see we are slowly gaining back. Look at that bunk at 39%. We are slowly gaining back the losses that we had, right? And so let's look at this. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Now, I've been saying, I don't want to make a crypto video every 5 minutes. Hey, we're up, yay! Ooh, we're down, boo! Oh, we're back up, yay! I just didn't want to go through that roller coaster. And if you could see here, it's just we're still range bound, good people. We're still range bound. So you can go all the way back to March. Look at this, all the way back to March. Okay, let's say March when we had this run up, right? So here we are, March 13th. Okay, March 13th, we had this run up, March 12th, right? And then if you could see, we have these channels, these downtrends, okay? And then back up, downtrends, back up. These are like fake outs that there's a bull signal coming, and then another downtrend, back up. And now we have a more of an elongated downtrend, and we've been waiting, of course, back up. But if you could see, we're still range bound. And this is what I'm talking about. We've really been range bound between 55 and we haven't gotten to 74. So we've been range bound between 75, really between 75 and 70. Okay. What we really need to do is we need to break above 74. Let's not even play with 73.5 and all of that. We need a strong breakout above 74K. That's what we need. And if we break above 74K, then we're going to stop by 76, pop through 80. Look at this, good people. Now, this is interesting here in Coin Market Cap. This is by market cap. You could see Doge is still dominant, all right? We got SHIB, the legacy memes, right behind it, as you can see there. But what I like to look at are the new dogs. And if you could see, Floki actually is really popping up. And then we got Brett and Pepe. By market cap, they are really coming along strong, okay? Let's see, price. We got Brett, Floki, Doge, Whiff, and SHIB. Look at that. All right, let's get right to it. All right. So look at this, good people. We'll come back to the memes. Let's go to all. All right, now this is by market cap. Of course, Bitcoin is going to be at the top. I got to dark mode so you guys could see it. But here we got 24 hours in the last 7 days. Now, in the last 7 days, Bitcoin is up a whopping 14%. That is really, really, really bullish, right? Even XRP is up 10%. And then Ethereum, which a lot of people say that in the future there will be a flippening and Ethereum will be over Bitcoin. I think we got a lot of time for that to happen. A lot of people think that's going to happen really soon. And we can see, though, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is pretty flat. But over the last 7 days, as you can see, it's been whopping. All right. It's been pumping. But if you really want to see what's been pumping, let's go to the memes here. And the memes have been dancing. All right. Let's do this. OK, the memes are dancing. Look at this. Doge is up 19%, but Pepe Le Pew is up 41%. And you going, oh my goodness. But that dog wearing the hat, dog with hat, is up 63%. And then here's Baby Bunk down there at 38%. And then Floki. So as you can see, the Pepes and the dog with hats, those are the ones that crash the most when we're in a downtrend with Bitcoin. But they are the ones that pop the most when we're in a uptrend. So Larry, what are you saying? What I'm saying is what I've been saying, and that is you could clearly see that we are range bound, right? So this means that we could come back up, hit resistance, and come back down. So what do? I'm telling you guys what I'm doing. I'm not suggesting for you to do anything, but all I'm saying is Larry from Stock Up with Larry Jones is he's got his buy orders and we are up really nice. I look at my portfolio and it looks really nice and really green. And then some of the cryptos I've been trading. I buy them down here. I sell them up here. Buy them down here. Sell them up here. Buy them down here. And I'm about to sell again when it hits resistance, okay? And that's just a way to really lock in the best price. Now, I dollar cost average every day in all of my coins, okay? My meme coins, my altcoins, and Bitcoin. I also buy Bitcoin. But what I do is I have buy orders, and then I have what I accumulate every day. Now, with brokers like Coinbase, you could set, reoccurring buy orders, of course, daily, right? And so what I do is I double down on what I buy daily when it's low. And then I single down when it's high, okay? And so what I'll do is I'll put in 2 buy orders. Let's say I'm buying Link, okay? Or Brett, right? Let's just say I'm buying Brett. So, and my average is $100 a day, okay? So what I'll do is, let's keep it real, because everybody can afford $100 a day. Let's say I'm doing $20 a day, right? So what I'll do is, when I'm down here, I'll do $20 a day. But when it gets into this range, I'll do $10 a day. So I double down how much I buy a day at the bottom, and I lessen when it's up here. And that's just one way for those of you that are not used to accumulating crypto to think about it. You want to be brave when it's in the low range and less aggressive when it's in the high range. A lot of new people to crypto only chase when they see it running. I hear it from you guys time and time again. Look, it's up again. Let me start buying. And then when it drops low, you go, oh, it's over. That's an emotional roller coaster. Now, I want you to break out of that and be brave. This takes bravery, okay? Warren Buffett, this is just that simple. This is the Warren Buffett move. You got to be brave when others are fearful. You got to be greedy when others are fearful. But then when they get greedy, all right, that's when you get fearful, all right? And so I'm just paraphrasing. So that's what I want you to think about with this crypto. So now we just keep swinging and keeping our money. Now, for those of you that want to take this another step, open up 2 portfolios, use one to swing, and then use the other to accumulate. And the truth be told, my swing, especially with my meme coins, my swing trade portfolio is paying for my dollar cost average hold, never sell. It's literally paying for it the way I keep swinging it. I just showed you guys. Now, I want you, if you don't know how to do it, I want you to leave this video and just search for a video on how to set buy orders and how to set sell orders, limit orders. You're going to beat out the fees. It's going to make you a better trader in crypto. But if you spend the time to open up two portfolios, you are literally playing with the house's money, right? And then if it tanks, then big deal. It was the house's money, okay? But we here to make long-term money. Again, I expect crypto to stay range bound here, okay? Now, anything could happen. A week from today, our former president will be speaking and he's going to be bullish on it. And that might cause a pop, right? Now I hear that the current president is getting heat, that he needs to get with the program with crypto. And if they both start sounding positive as these banks come aboard now, more banks, then that's going to be a positive move for crypto. And so I want you guys to don't hold me to this range. This whole range may jump up after that. And then we'll still be range bound because that does not change the fundamentals of crypto. That does not change. And here's I believe what's going to happen when the Fed starts decreasing interest rates, which is the first possibility of September. Then we will start seeing true legs up in all crypto. But until then, anything could happen. We could go back and revisit, okay? We can go back and revisit to these lows, or we can establish a new low and a new high, but we'll still be range bound for the rest of the summer. It's just what it is today. And if anything changes, I will bring it to you. But I showed you guys that are new how to easily and simply swing, accumulate while you continue the dollar cost average, okay? And then remember, if you don't want to swing and you just want to accumulate, then remember, double down when it's low and single down when it's high. But it takes guts and you got to get out of your emotions, right? So if you want to learn how I do my trading and thousands of us, come join us in Stock Up You. And then you could, I suggest, if you really want to do really good in crypto, I suggest you take my class, all right? You take the Charting with Josh class. All right, this is all in the same class. So these are chapters. Take this chapter, all right? Take my momentum trading chapter, and then take the crypto chapter. This crypto chapter is extremely in depth, okay? So it doesn't matter where you are. We meet you where you are so you can learn and earn right now, right? All right, good people, we're going to leave it right there. I will see you tomorrow, Sunday. You have a blessed and safe weekend. Make sure you check out the links below, especially Stock Up You, because I made it for you. Live, love, laugh, and learn.